Ethereum for the most part is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that sort of has an exceptionally present worth of $2,610.37 and a market capitalization of $313,725.57,900 versus the certainly thought. Digital currencies generally have truly lengthy past a reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in a very significant way. These days, it's a resource class that especially is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate in an unobtrusive manner. Some genuinely huge venture banks in any event, in every practical sense, obtain Ethereum and really other digital currencies all at once to safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, which generally is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ETH market that especially depend on the readings of our truly exceptional crypto unpredictability record that by and large assists us with checking the market opinion and explicitly expect the heading wherein the market plans to sort of go in a quite huge manner. At this point, the cost of Ethereum is $2,610.37. Will the coin right, and it basically ends up at second spot in the generally positioning, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The said certainly positioning for the most part is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that in every practical sense is duplicated by its especially current market capitalization, an equation that essentially is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most significant information with respect to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in an unpretentious way. It's likewise critical to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On January 10, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally was at $2,345.50 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change basically added up to 7.74% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on January 4, ETH for the most part was a month prior, on December 11, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,224.60. Subsequently, the coin basically has taken a 17.34% action to generally arrive at its current standings, which truly is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization especially conveys kind of equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors in a genuinely significant manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the kind of generally position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in a truly significant way without a doubt. Changes in market capitalization, certainly sure or truly negative in a real sense, are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could basically be going, as well as the resources in every way that really matters, potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both truly short and long-haul points of view, which is genuinely critical. This especially specific pretty measurement truly is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in an especially significant manner. To decide the by and large current market capitalization of ETH, we basically duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be in a real sense made sense of later by the especially present worth of the digital money under survey, or so they sort of thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum remains at $313,725.57,900, which frames the reason for especially present truly positioning certainly was referenced before. Yesterday, on January 10, ETH for the most part had a market capitalization of $281,890,900,570 in an exceptionally significant manner. Keep going week, on January 4. The market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $265,709,493,940, which in a real sense is very huge. A month prior, on December 11, the market worth of Ethereum basically was surveyed to be $267,430,809,040, which by and large is genuinely huge. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that for the most part have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining, which generally is genuinely huge. These digital currencies can in every practical sense be utilized either for exceptionally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers in a truly significant manner. This by and large measurement likewise calculates the coins that sort of have been gradually eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which for the most part is applied to control the expansion rate in a sort of enormous manner. At this point, the really complete stockpile of Ethereum sort of is laid out at 120, 182, 462 ETH, so these days, it's a resource class that for the most part is significantly directed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in a by and large significant manner. In conclusion, the flowing stock for the most part is utilized to explicitly work out the market capitalization and by and large survey the coin's sort of current remaining in the positions in a fundamentally huge way. It indicates the in every practical sense, generally speaking measure of ETH that in every practical sense is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that explicitly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large basically accepted that digital currencies that truly have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million sort of are the most reasonable for certainly long-haul venture, since they sort of are generally kind of liable to sort of value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a truly significant manner. At this crossroads, Ethereum explicitly has a flowing stock of 120, 182, 462 coins in a kind of significant manner. Over the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $29,913, 514, 880. Showing that adjustments of market capitalization exceptionally sure or quite negative in a real sense are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both sort of short and all things considered long-haul viewpoints, which is very critical. Yesterday, on January 10, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame generally remained at $14,888, 350 win 225 in a kind of significant manner. 7 days prior, on January 4, how much ETH that truly was traded between market members in every practical sense was assessed at $19,339.082, 776, which explicitly is very huge. Presently in a real sense comes an opportunity to truly make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost forecast model that permits us to fundamentally predict the way that Ethereum will follow over the essentially next 1 to 5 years, which sort of is very critical. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of markets, the business, which generally is very huge.